श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मनु मुकुरु सुधारि।
With the dust of the lotus feet of the revered Guru, I purify the mirror of my mind.
बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु, जो दायक फल चारि।
I describe the pure glory of Sri Ram, which bestows the fourfold fruits of life: Dharma, that's righteous deeds; Artha, material gains attained through noble means; Kama, fulfillment of desires in accordance through righteous deeds; Moksha, the release from bondage of worldly attachments.
बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेस विकार।
Being fully aware of the deficiency of my intelligence, I meditate upon you, O son of the wind, Pavan Kumar. I humbly ask for strength, intelligence and true knowledge to relieve me of all blemishes.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहुँ लोक उजागर।
Victory to thee, O Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Victory to the Lord of Monkeys, who is famous in all three worlds.
रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा।
You are the divine messenger of Sri Ram. You are the son of Anjani, known as Pavanasuta, son of the wind god.
महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी।
With limbs as sturdy as Vajra, the mace of Lord Indra, you are courageous and brave. You remove evil thoughts and intentions accompanied by good intellect.
कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा।
Your golden physique is beautiful. You wear shining earrings and have beautiful curly hair.
हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे।
You carry in your hand a lightning bolt along with a victory flag and wear a sacred thread on your shoulder.
शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन।
As a descendant of Lord Shiva, you are a comfort and pride of Sri Kesari, Hanuman's earthly father. With the lustre of your vast sway, you are propagated all over the universe.
विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर।
You are learned, virtuous and exceptionally clever, always eager to serve Sri Ram.
प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया।
You are an ardent listener, always so keen to listen to the narration of Sri Ram's life stories. You therefore always dwell in the hearts of Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita.
सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा.
You appeared before Sita in a diminutive form, and you assumed a dreadful form and struck terror by setting Lanka on fire.
भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे.
Assuming a gigantic form, you destroyed the Asuras or demons and accomplished all tasks assigned to you by Sri Ram with great skill.
लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुबीर हर्ष उर लाए.
You brought a herb called Sanjeevani and revived Lakshman. Sri Ram cheerfully embraced you with his heart full of joy.
रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई.
Sri Ram said, "You are as dear to me as my brother Bharat."
सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे, अस कहे श्रीपति कंठ लगावे.
While taking you in his embrace, Sri Ram said that the 1,000-headed serpent Seshnath sings praises of your glory.
सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा.
When prophets like Sanka, even the sage like Brahma, the great hermit Narad himself, goddess Saraswati, and Ahisa, the king of serpents, also known as Shesha.
जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ ते, कभी को विद कही सके कहाँ ते.
Gods like Yamraj, the god of death, Kuber, the god of wealth, and their gods, even poets and scholars, have been competing with one another in offering homage to your glories.
उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाया राजपद दीन्हा.
You rendered a great service to Sugriv and united him with Sri Ram, who installed him on the royal throne.
तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना.
Vibhishan, the younger brother of the demon Ravana, took your advice and became the king of Lanka. The whole world knows this.
जुग सहस्त्र जोजन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू.
The sun is 16,000 miles away, yet you considered it a fruit and swallowed it.
प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाही.
Carrying Sri Ram's ring in your mouth, you leaped across the ocean. There is no wonder in that.
दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते.
All the difficult tasks in the world become easy with your grace.
राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे.
You are the guardian of Sri Ram's divine abode. No one may enter without your permission.
सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना.
All comforts of the world lie at your feet. The devotees enjoy all divine pleasures and feel fearless under your benign protection.
आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपे।
You alone can control your own strength. All the three worlds tremble when you roar.
भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे।
All the ghosts, demons and their evil forces keep away with the mention of your name, O Mahavir.
नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा।
All diseases, pain and suffering disappear by constantly chanting Hanumanji's name.
संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे।
Those who remember Hanumanji in thoughts, words and deeds are rescued by him from all crises in life.
सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा।
For all those who honor, worship and have faith in Sri Ram as the Supreme Lord and the King of Penance, you make all their difficult tasks very easy.
और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे।
Whosoever comes to you for fulfillment of any desire with faith and sincerity, they will receive the immeasurable fruit of life.
चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा।
Your magnificent glory prevails all 4 ages. That's Satya, Treta, Dwapar and Kali. And your fame is radiantly noted all over the cosmos.
साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे।
You are the protector of saints and sages. You are the destroyer of demons and beloved of Sri Ram.
अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता।
Mother Janaki or Goddess Sita blessed you with a boon where you can grant the 8 siddhis or powers. That's the power to get light or heavy at will, infinitely big or small, unrestricted access to all places, fulfilling one's desires and subjugating all. You can also grant the 9 nidhis or treasures like riches, comfort, power, prestige, fame and sweet relationship, etc.
राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा।
You possess the power of devotion to Sri Ram. Always remain Sri Ram's most dedicated disciple.
तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे।
One who chants your hymns reaches Sri Ram and will become free from sufferings of several births.
अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई।
If at the time of death one goes to the abode of Sri Ram, thereafter in all future births he is born as a devotee of Hari or Sri Ram.
और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई।
One does not hold any other deity in their heart. Hanumanji, you alone can give all happiness.
संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा।
Troubles are alleviated and all suffering is removed by remembering the mighty Hanumanji.
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहूँ गुरुदेव के नाई।
Victory, victory, victory to you, O Hanumanji. Bless me in the capacity as my supreme guru or teacher.
जो 7 बार पाठ कर कोई, छोट ही बंदी महासुख होई।
Whoever recites this Chalisa 100 times will be freed from bondage and attains great happiness.
जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा।
Those who recite this Chalisa will attain success and be a witness to it, O Gaurisa or Lord Shiva.
तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय मह डेरा।
Tulsidas is always a servant of Hari or Sri Ram. O my Lord, may you reside in my heart forever.
पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप।
Son of the wind, remover of distress, embodiment of auspiciousness, reside in my heart along with Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita, O King of gods.